Homer loves partying. This is the story of a flamingo. His name is Homer. He's fat and he loves to eat red fish. He has got a yellow body, short thin pink legs, a long pink neck, and a short pink beak. He has got two big green eyes and their short straight hairs. He lives in Hawaii. There are a lot of beaches with palm trees and coconut. We be by the beach where Homer lives. There are two discotheques, many hotels, two supermarkets. There is a shopping center between the bank and the school, and opposite the school there is a hospital.
Homer loves dancing and he goes to the disco every weekend. One Friday night, Homer met a female flamingo called Marge. They danced together all night and Homer fell in love. The next weekend, Homer saw Marge with a pink hippo. Homer was very jealous, so he used his magic pencil case to be invisible. Homer started to spy on Marge and he discovered lots of interesting things about her. For example, she liked red fish, ice cream, playing volleyball, going to the cinema, listening to rock music. The next Saturday, Homer invited Marge for a romantic dinner. They had lots of fun and they started dating.